Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Clan. Today we'll be looking at a number of spectacular partnerships Hedera is currently involved in and how Hedera is being implemented into a number of revolutionary technologies. Hedera Hashgraph's unique and revolutionary technology has brought a number of eyes to the project, namely large corporations including the likes of Google, IBM and Boeing, who are all Hedera Governing Council members. The extensive exposure Hedera has experienced has led to Hedera raising an impressive fund of approximately $124 million since the DOT company's inception in 2018. The raised funds are held in fiat, thus giving the team a solid base to invest and fund actions Hedera may carry out over the years. Hashgraph technology has a number of notable qualities, such as Hedera being equipped with the ability to carry out cryptographic hashing algorithms. This feature enables the Hedera network being compliant with the CNSA suit security standard. This is the standard required for protecting US government top secret information. The commercial National Security Algorithm Suite, or CNSA, is a cryptographic algorithm which is set to be used by the NSA to replace its current NSA Suite B cryptography algorithm. The use of CNSA will enable the rapid and secure information sharing to aid in protecting the US government, its citizens, and interests from cyber attacks. As well as these impressive characteristics, Hedera has a number of impressive partnerships and has a number of large entities who are members of the Hedera Governing Council. One such member is the gas and electricity utility firm EDF. Due to EDF being a Hedera Governing Council member, EDF has a Hedera node which aids in providing consensus to the Hedera network. As well as being a Hedera Governing Council member and contributing to consensus, EDF is set to directly use Hedera Hashgraph in its activities. EDF plans to use Hedera's Hashgraph network in an attempt to achieve carbon neutrality by 2050. EDF's principal researcher, Giles Deleuze, has affirmed the company's plans of implementing Hedera's network in providing greenhouse certificates and decentralized electricity systems. Deleuze stated, "In the near future, distributed computing will support increasingly decentralized electrical systems, complex supply chains, and exchanges of digital assets, energy certificates, GHG credits, and more. Multiple pieces of the distributed ledger technology ecosystem will form the puzzle pieces that make this vision a reality." With a number of institutions turning away from blockchain technology due to the technology's perceived use of excess non-renewable energy, EDF has taken to Hedera, namely due to its Hashgraph technology offering a highly eco-friendly platform, whereby the energy to process a transaction amounts to 0.00017 kilowatts per hour per transaction. The implementation of Hedera Hashgraph's consensus service could potentially power a global institution such as EDF, whilst having minimal impacts on the environment. EDF's cloud and blockchain subsidiary, Axion, will start offering Hedera's network as part of its blockchain as a service offering. Deleuze has mentioned EDF's intention of deploying tokenized carbon offsets and credit systems using the Hedera token service. The potential for asset tokenization provided by the Hedera token service will bring a number of benefits, namely the active and seamless transfer of assets, including tokenized carbon assets. EDF's utilization of the Hedera token service will enable the effective tokenization of potential carbon credits as non-fungible tokens. Such actions amount to $1, which is paid in HBAR through the Hedera consensus service. The tokenization of carbon credits as NFTs would be more costly compared to alternative blockchains such as Ethereum, where the minting of potential carbon credits can be priced at $80 to $100 per NFT. EDF adds to the growing list of organizations who have observed the potential Hedera offers in regards to the tokenization of assets. Such organizations include the carbon credit company Dovu. As well as Hedera's network being used in the carbon credit industry, Hedera has been implemented into the energy microgrid company Guard Global's infrastructure. Guard Global's energy microgrids are designed to improve the inefficiencies of existing centralized power grids and help mitigate risks that societies may experience, namely power outages, and also improving sustainability by reducing the excessive consumption of energy.
Each home is going to generate electricity, and it's going to be tokenized and stored in the Hedera virtual wallets. And from that point, homeowners are at liberty to trade peer-to-peer with other members of the Hedera network. Governments had a bit of a knee-jerk reaction to cryptocurrencies and the technology behind it. But our product using Hedera specializes in structured data reporting. We have 2 database architectures, and the analytics are extracted automatically from these databases. They provide tailored reports for various types of stakeholders. Government regulators require structured data reporting, and we could provide it for them directly, automatically.
This project is about mass empowerment and democratization of energy. By the implementation of microgrids and using Hedera Hashgraph, what we're able to do is give something back to the people that use the energy, wherever they may be in the world.
Guard Global's harnessing of the Hedera Consensus Service will enable the organization to manage high volumes of datasets in a tamper-proof manner, while also providing the ability for verifiable, immutable and traceable transactions without the need of intervention by centralized authorities. The elimination of centralized authorities to provide databases will lead to reductions in costs, resources and time, thus improving the overall efficiency of Guard Global's activities. Increases in transactions and logging of datasets on Guard Global's network will lead to invariable increases in the number of actions occurring on the Hedera Consensus Service. Such actions will be facilitated through the use of HBAR tokens, which will act as gas on the network. The use of HBAR as gas in this instance will lead to increases in the demand for HBAR tokens. Increases in the demand for the token will lead to subsequent increases in the price of HBAR, especially over the long run. As DLT continues its trend into the mainstream, more entities will look to the likes of Hedera to overcome a number of limitations associated with traditional infrastructure. With a number of nations and companies around the world aiming for carbon neutrality over the coming decades, more entities may look to Hedera Hashgraph to provide eco-friendliness, whilst also providing the notable benefits associated with DLT, including speed, security and decentralization. What are your thoughts on Hedera's partnerships? Which partnership excites you the most? Let us know your views in the comments below. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the notification bell. Let us know your views in the comments below. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.